Sun and Taurus in the fourth house, the cosmic blueprint. If your sun is in Taurus in the fourth house, your purpose is built from the ground up. The sun represents your core identity. Taurus is the sign of lasting value, and the fourth house is the deeply private sector of home, ancestry, and emotional security. When these energies merge, your life purpose becomes centered around your sanctuary. You aren't here to hustle for public fame or constantly shift your life direction. You are here to establish deep, unshakable roots, cultivate a peaceful inner world, and construct a physical environment that acts as a fortress of comfort and beauty. The hidden strengths. Your greatest superpower is your profound emotional resilience and domestic talent. Because the fourth house governs your private life, your Taurus drive makes you an absolute rock for your family and inner circle. You possess a rare, instinctual ability to create comfort wherever you go. You have an exceptional eye for interior design, land, and making a space feel safe and rich. You are incredibly loyal to your roots, a nurturing provider, and a natural stabilizing force. When the outer world gets chaotic, you know exactly how to step into your sanctuary and recharge your power through peace. The shadow and cosmic lessons. But a beautifully built sanctuary can easily turn into an emotional prison. Your biggest challenge is an intense attachment to the past and a severe fear of leaving your comfort zone. Because you crave predictability, you might resist moving, changing family dynamics, or letting go of outdated traditions long after they have stopped serving you. You can become fiercely possessive of your space and your loved ones, reacting with extreme stubbornness when your peace is disrupted. Your cosmic lesson is to realize that true security lives inside you, not just in your physical walls. You must learn to allow life to flow and evolve without panicking. Ultimately, you are here to show the world the true meaning of peace, heritage, and emotional stability. If you want to dive deeper into the rest of your birth chart puzzle and discover how your planetary placements interact, make sure to follow along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have your sun in Taurus in the fourth house. See you in the next breakdown.